let's unbox this hair package together. It didn't even come with anything. This is a 60 inches hair and 13x4 frontal. It doesn't shed. Wow. Okay, let's check the inside of the wig. 4 clips, 2 by the side, 1 at the front and 1 at the back. A hair strap. So with this, you can be able to adjust it. Let's check out the frontal. It's not smelling bad. The hair is so cool. First of all, let's try it on and see if the color will suit me. Still need to work on the hairline. Apart from the hairline that needs to be plucked, the hair is so good. What do you think about this color? Does it suit me or not? Even if I haven't styled it. But first of all, before I style this beautiful wig of mine, I'm going to be washing it. I love it. Bye.